In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom out in Adobe Express. The simplest way to zoom out is by using keyboard shortcuts. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl and minus key on your keyboard. If you're using Mac, press Command and minus key. This will zoom out of your page. To zoom in, press the plus key along with Ctrl or Command. Another method is to use the Zoom tool. Press Z on your keyboard and your cursor will change into a magnifying glass. If you see a plus symbol on the magnifying glass, clicking on the page will zoom in on that location. To zoom out using the magnifying glass, hold down the Alt or Option key and click anywhere on the page. This will zoom out. You can also zoom manually using the View option at the top navigation menu. Click on View and select Zoom in or Zoom out from the drop-down. Another option is to use the zoom percentage at the bottom left corner of your screen. If you click the arrow next to the percentage, you will see a list of zoom options. You can select a predefined zoom level or manually enter any percentage. This allows you to control the zoom level based on your preference, and that's how you can zoom out in Adobe Express.